Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the coronavirus. You see, initially I had predicted about coronavirus on the 17th September 2019, and I had predicted that this virus will come from China after the solar eclipse of 26th December 2019, because this eclipse was taking place in the 12th house of the China foundation chart in the sign Sagittarius, which is the 22nd Dreshkun sign, the most dreaded sign for malefic planets to transit, and then over the fallen Jupiter. The Jupiter is fallen in the case of China in the 12th house. The 12th lord is fallen, and over the 12th lord, when Jupiter was also fallen in transit and Ketu in the nakshatra of Ketu, the eclipse took place. People say it is a man-made. I don't know how you can define man-made when the nature clearly shows that it is a natural phenomena and a parallel phenomena like the Spanish flu. Now, let us talk about it. I had even predicted that after the ingress of Ketu in the Jyeshtha nakshatra after 20th September 2020, it will not ease. There will not be any ease. Rather, the aspect of the fallen planet Jupiter on the other planets, it is bound to aggravate, and especially in the month from 30th June 2020, Jupiter was fallen till 20th November, and 4th October, Mars was also fallen in the sign Pisces. So, and Mars is the planet for cure, and the disposer was also fallen. So, where is the question of people, astrologers predicting that there will be an ease in coronavirus? There was no chance. I had predicted this in advance. And then now, till Ketu leaves the sign, the Jyeshtha nakshatra, there will be no ease till 10th of May. Let us be very clear on this. I had written this, and then on the 15th March 2021, Rahu and Ketu change their Navamsha, and Rahu comes in Gemini and Ketu comes in Sagittarius, the same sign where the eclipse has taken place. My dear friends, there is no ease. And then on the 10th of May, there is again a change in the Navamsha. Rahu comes in Taurus and Ketu comes in Scorpio, which is the 1/7 axis of India. So where is the question of, again, this process is going to continue, and till Rahu and Ketu leave these signs on the 17th March 2021, there will be no ease. And then if you go parallel to Spanish flu, the Spanish flu had only eased when Rahu and Ketu had ingressed. No, Rahu and Ketu were in the same axis in the Gemini and Sagittarius, like the solar eclipse of the 26th December 2019. There was a parallel eclipse on the 28th December 1917 when Rahu was in Gemini and Ketu was in Sagittarius. Sorry, Rahu was in Sagittarius and Ketu was in Gemini. So it was a parallel, eclipse. And till Rahu went in its own nakshatra. Rahu went in, Ketu went in Aries in Ketu nakshatra, and Rahu went in Libra in its own nakshatra. There was no ease. Now, Rahu and Ketu will transit. Rahu will transit Aries and Ketu will transit in Libra, and there will be a nakshatra exchange on the 8th February 2023. Only then we will get some ease from coronavirus. But the medical advancement due to vaccines will give some ease, and I have tabulated all the time frames when we will be getting some ease from coronavirus. Let me read it out. Read my n number of articles on virus spread proving spot on. As per the planetary position, it seems that the fear may remain, although till 20th July 2021, till Mars is a planet for cure, till Mars is debilitated, we may not get any cure. time frame till Mars, the planet for cure, goes in Leo, till it goes in a fiery sign. When it goes in a fiery sign, then it is good for cure, and that will only take place after the 20th July 2021. We may get some ease after the 20th July 2021, but September 14th to 20th November 2021 may be period for caution again, since Jupiter will be the most afflicted condition and will aspect Mars in Virgo. Jupiter will be retrograde, Jupiter will be fallen, Jupiter will be debilitated, a planet which is a Jiva planet and which is a planet for prosperity, and it will aspect Mars. And it had the similar conditions we were there before, when Jupiter was fallen in the sign Pisces and the dispositor was fallen, and Jupiter aspect went back in the sign from where the virus had spread, and all the astrologers said that coronavirus will go away. They don't even know what is a fallen planet. So that is where is that Jupiter, whenever it is in a fallen state, debilitated and retrograde, will be most afflicted, and then it will be with Saturn in the sign Capricorn, and it will meet for the third time. So friends, that time again from 14th September to 20th November is not a good time frame. So in totality, the fear for the coronavirus will hang like a hanging fire. It will hang like a hanging fire. The title of the article is, will coronavirus remain hanging fire in 2021? The answer is yes, especially till 20th of July 2021, and to be more specific, till 10th of May, and I have mentioned all the dates when they change the Navamsha. They are changing the Navamsha on the 10th of August, then 10th of September, 20th of September. So I will read out all the time frames. Then please read my article, and Rashi Sanghata Chakar, Rashi and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakar indicative of peak coronavirus between 24th April to 16th May, and may also prove fatal. See the Rashi and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakar. There is a Veda. Saturn stationary on the 18th May to at 19 degrees, and 8th aspect of Mars is close degrees on Saturn can be explosive just after the Veda and the above chakras. So till 18th of May also, 18th May is a deadly date because Saturn will be stationary. Saturn is the Karka for death, Saturn is the Karka for disease, and Mars will aspect it, and there will be Veda between the two. So it is most crucial and explosive. Coronavirus puts its foot on full throttle as predicted. The burning question is, when will we get relief? Now let me read it out. I have been writing on virus, and I am the first astrologer to predict coronavirus from China in my article dated 17th. As predicted, there is a second wave, and the predictions are spot on even for the dates and the time frames. I have written n number of articles. The Angarak Yoga is basically responsible for the surge in coronavirus, and I had mentioned that after 15th of March, because Rahu and Ketu will change the Navamsha, there will be a surge in coronavirus, and then from 23rd March to 3rd of April, in the month of March will be the worst because then Mars, Rahu and Saturn will be in the same Gemini Navamsha, and Ketu will be in the Sagittarius Navamsha. Now read my article. There will be improvement in stages, and the peak will be from the 25th March to 3rd April. First peak is 24th to 3rd April, and then 15th also on the 15th March, when Rahu changes into Gemini and Ketu goes in Sagittarius Navamsha. The peak of the coronavirus cases will be when the zodiac arc of Taurus 18-19 degrees will be afflicted by both Mars and Rahu, forming Angarak Yoga on the 25th March to 3rd April, when Saturn will also join the Gemini Navamsha. Affliction to the axis will prove most crucial for the virus spread till the 10th May 2021, when Ketu will join Scorpio and Rahu will join Navamsha respectively. Thereafter, we could slowly get some ease, slow ease, till Ketu leaves the Scorpio Navamsha on the 10th August, till Rahu in Rohini till the 10th September. Time frames from the 14th September to 20th November, the Jiva planet will be fallen and most venomous for the mankind. It will be most afflicted condition. Hence, coronavirus may only ease after this time frame. See, Karka for mankind is Jupiter, and when it is debilitated, fallen, I'm sorry to say, there can be deaths also. It may be not only because of coronavirus, it could be for other things, but it is very difficult to distinguish. But Jupiter being in most afflicted condition and aspecting Mars, the planet for cure, is not good. From the above, it is crystal clear that the coronavirus will only ease slowly, especially when Mars goes in the fine Leo after the 20th July. Some ease may be seen, and then after that 20th November 2021. The first date of spikes of virus will be till 16th May 2021, between 10th and 16th May. Second date will be 20th September, Jupiter will be fallen, but this 20th September to 20th November can be bad. Then the third date is after 20th November. Then the fourth date is 17th March 2022, when Rahu and Ketu leave this sign. This will be important. This will definitely be important. Finally, after the 8th February, it will disappear. Hence, the process will be slow, but ease may be seen as per the above time frames slowly. So friends, read my n number of articles which I have been writing right from September 2019, and I had also mentioned that even after Rahu Ketu shifting to Taurus Scorpio axis, we will not get any relief. We will be well into coronavirus will be well into 2021. I have written so many articles on this. You can read it for yourself. So friends, astrology is amazing if it is used properly and researched properly. The predictions can never go wrong. So friends, let us wait first till 10th May, then 10th August, then 10th September, these dates, and especially after 20th July, when Mars leaves Cancer and opposition with Saturn. Mars and Saturn opposition conjunction is extremely bad. The conjunction is very bad. The opposition is not that bad, but definitely Mars and Saturn both are getting afflicted. Saturn is the 10th lord of the natural zodiac, 10th and 11th, and Mars is the Lagna lord and the 8th lord of the natural zodiac. So friends, these two getting together, and then when they will be in Cancer and Capricorn, they will get the aspect of Saturn will get the aspect of Rahu, and Mars will get the aspect of Ketu. So friends, it is not good for coronavirus and relief from coronavirus. Yes, after 10th May, 10th August, 10th September, we'll definitely slowly get some ease, especially after the 20th July. And then this period is very critical from 14th September to 20th November. Very difficult to say during this period because Jupiter is a Jiva planet and it will be fallen, retrograde and debilitated. So fairly we can say that after 20th November, we will start getting relief, and then after 17th March 2022 and finally after 8th February 2023. All these dates have been given much earlier, when nobody could even think of. I've been told that most of the astrologers are doing copy paste. My videos are being copied. I do not care about it. You can't stop them, and I should not comment anything on that. Viewers can see for themselves who is making a genuine prediction. So this is all, friends. I just wanted to share. This is a very important prediction, and we have to take care of ourselves, use masks and social distancing, so that situation is not created parallel to 2020 when there was total chaos. So friends, if we do not take care of, if we do not take precautions, we are bound to land in this type of troubles, and especially after the 24th April to 18th, around the 18th May 2021. Please note this time frame. This is most important, and because Saturn will be stationary, and aspect on Saturn stationary by Mars, degree wise almost aspect, and first a Veda and then a degree wise aspect. It is most crucial. So that's all friends, I just wanted to share. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day and best of luck.